Hey learners! Welcome back to Go Next. Last time, we cracked the code on personal, possessive, reflexive pronouns and other types of pronouns. Today, we're unlocking a mutual mystery, reciprocal pronouns. Ever wondered how to say "we give gifts to each other" correctly? Let's dive in. Reciprocal pronouns show mutual actions between two or more people, where the action goes both ways equally. Think of it like a mirror: what one does, the other returns. Take Ali and Ahmed's example: Ali and Ahmed help each other. That simple phrase means Ali helps Ahmed and Ahmed helps Ali in return. The magic? Each other replaces repetitive phrasing while keeping the meaning perfectly balanced. We use these pronouns only as objects, never subjects. To show equal exchange. To make sentences cleaner, so whether it's siblings supporting each other or teams trusting one another, reciprocal pronouns make relationships crystal clear. Reciprocal pronouns express mutual actions or relationships between two or more entities. In English, there are two reciprocal pronouns, each other and one another. The pronoun each other is used when referring to two people or things engaged in a reciprocal action. The pronoun one another is used when referring to three or more people or things in a reciprocal relationship. The two martial artists bowed to each other before the match. Here, each other indicates that both martial artists performed the action of bowing mutually. The students congratulated one another after the results were announced. In this case, one another conveys that multiple students exchanged congratulations. Key rule: each other is exclusively used for two subjects. One another applies to groups of three or more. Reciprocal pronouns form possessives by adding s, creating each other's, one another's. The possessive remains singular, s, even with multiple people. Examples: 1. Take a moment to listen to one another's opinions. 2. They looked at each other's dress in surprise. 3. After the fight, they were not able to look into one another's eyes. Why this matters: the singular possessive maintains grammatical consistency regardless of subject number. Compare. Correct: they admired one another's artwork. Incorrect: they admired one another's artwork. Usage tip: when showing mutual ownership, always use the s form without exception. When using reciprocal pronouns, each other or one another, with indefinite pronouns, everyone, nobody, somebody, remember, indefinite pronouns are grammatically singular. Reciprocal actions require plural subjects. Correct: everybody was helping one another. Everybody, singular, takes singular verb was. One another properly indicates group reciprocity. Incorrect: everybody were helping one another. Error: subject-verb disagreement, were should be was. Somebody forgot each other's names. Problem: somebody, singular, cannot have reciprocal action. Corrected: they forgot each other's names. Proper use: plural subject they enables reciprocity. We don't have to always agree with one another, but it's important that we learn to respect each other demonstrates. One another for group dynamics. Each other for mutual relationships. When determining which to use, first count the number of subjects involved. This simple check ensures proper application of these pronouns. Peter and Boris trust each other. Two individuals. Our soldiers trust one another. Group dynamic. They do everything for each other. Two parties. These firms create projects for one another. Multiple organizations. We live too far from each other. Two locations. My cats eat one another's food. Plural subjects with possessive form. Choose each other, for two, or one another, for groups, in each sentence. Watch for possessives too. Begin. The two boxers shook hands with blank after the match. Each other for two individuals. The members of the team encouraged blank during tough times. One another for a group. The two rival companies secretly spy on blank answer. Each other. They promise to always support, blank, no matter what. Each other for two parties. The siblings always defend, blank, when someone criticizes them. One another for three or more. The birds in the flock followed, blank, in perfect formation. One another for a group. The competitors secretly studied, blank, strategies. One another's. Everyone in the group admired, blank, talents. One another's for group possessive. Nobody wanted to hurt, blank, feelings, so they stayed quiet. One another's for group context. Some of the competitors envied, blank, success. One another's for multiple subjects. Thank you for joining this lesson on reciprocal pronouns. By mastering each other and one another, you've taken an important step toward clearer and more precise English. Keep practicing these in your conversations and writing. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more grammar tips. Like this lesson. Comment with your own example sentences. Stay connected for more lessons. Until next time, keep learning and growing with us.